Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome to another insightful episode of the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, where we explore the myriad of career opportunities that shape our world. And today, we are diving into the fascinating and rapidly evolving field of biotechnology. Biotechnology is not just about microscopes and lab coats. It's about creating solutions that can revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and even our daily lives. From developing groundbreaking medical treatments to engineering sustainable agricultural practices, the potential in biotechnology is vast and exciting. So, if you're curious about how you can make a significant impact in this dynamic field, stay tuned as we unpack some of the most promising careers in biotechnology. But before we dive in, let me leave you with this thought. What if the key to solving some of the world's biggest challenges lies in the work you do every day? Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy careers for themselves. So, today we are venturing into the world of biotechnology. So, let's get started. First, biomedical engineer. Now, biomedical engineers apply principles of engineering and biology to create products that improve patient care. They design medical devices, develop new materials for implants, and create innovative software for healthcare applications. Their work can range from designing artificial organs to developing advanced imaging systems. Now, to become a biomedical engineer, you'll need a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering or a related field. Essential skills include problem solving, creativity, and a solid understanding of biology and engineering principles. Advanced degrees can open doors to higher level positions and specialized research roles. In India, biomedical engineers can expect to earn between 3 to 8 lakhs per annum, while in countries like the United States, the salary ranges from $60,000 to $120,000 annually. Number two, research scientist. Research scientists in biotechnology work on cutting edge projects that aim to understand biological processes and develop new technologies. They conduct experiments, analyze data, and publish findings in scientific journals. Their work can lead to advancements in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. A strong background in biology, chemistry, and molecular biology is essential. A bachelor's degree in biotech or a related field is required, but a master's or PhD is often necessary for advanced research positions. Key skills include critical thinking, analytical skills, and proficiency in lab techniques. Talking about the salary, in India, research scientists can earn between 4 to 10 lakhs per annum. But in countries like the United States, salaries can range from $50,000 to $100,000 or even more, depending on experience and specialization. Number three, process engineers. Now, process engineers in biotechnology focus on designing and optimizing processes for the production of biopharmaceuticals, biofuels, and other bioproducts. They ensure that manufacturing processes are efficient, cost effective, and compliant with regulatory standards. A bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, biotechnology, or a related field is required. Skills in process design, problem solving, and a deep understanding of biochemical processes are very crucial. Now, experience with process simulation software can also be beneficial. Talking about the salary, once again in India, process engineers can earn between 4 to 12 lakhs per annum. And the United States, salary ranges from $65,000 to $110,000 annually. Number four, medical technologist. Now, they perform complex lab tests and analyze that help diagnose and treat diseases. They work in hospitals, diagnostic labs, and research institutions, handling sophisticated equipment and ensuring the accuracy of test results. A bachelor's degree in medical technology, clinical lab science, or a related field is required. Attention to detail, analytical skills, and proficiency in laboratory techniques are essential. Certification from a recognized board can definitely enhance job prospects. Once again, talking about salary, in India, medical technologists earn between 3 to 7 lakhs per annum, whereas in the United States, salaries range from $50,000 to $80,000 annually. Number five, regulatory affairs manager. Now, they ensure that biotech products comply with all regulations and standards set by government agencies. They prepare and submit regulatory documents, manage regulatory inspections, and stay updated on changes in law and guidelines. Talking about the skills and qualifications, a bachelor's degree in biotechnology, pharmacy, or a related field is required, along with knowledge of regulatory requirements. Now, strong communication, project management, and analytical skills are crucial. Advanced degrees and certifications in regulatory affairs can be advantageous. Talking about salary, in India, regulatory affairs managers can earn between 6 to 15 lakhs per annum, whereas in the United States, the salary ranges from $80,000 to $140,000 annually. Now, coming to number six, that is biostatistician. Now, they apply statistical methods to analyze and interpret data from biological research and clinical trials. Their work is vital in understanding disease patterns, developing new drugs, and improving healthcare practices. A bachelor's degree in biostatistics, statistics, or a related field is required, with advanced degrees preferred for higher level positions. Key skills include statistical analysis, data interpretation, and proficiency in statistical software. Once again, talking about salary, in India, biostatisticians can earn between 5 to 12 lakhs per annum, whereas in countries like the United States, the salaries range from $60,000 to $120,000 annually. Now, let me tell you the countries that are preferred for Indian students for studying biotechnology. For Indian students looking to study and pursue careers in biotechnology, some of the best countries include the United States, Germany, Canada, UK, or even Ireland. These countries offer top tier education, state of the art research facilities, and abundant career opportunities. Graduate courses in biotechnology, such as master's or PhD, can provide specialized knowledge and hands on experience essential for excellence in this field. Now, universities like MIT, Stanford, University of Cambridge, and ETH Zurich are renowned for their biotechnology programs. Now, to conclude, biotechnology offers a plethora of career opportunities that not only promise personal growth but also contribute significantly to societal advancement. Whether you are interested in developing new medical devices, conducting groundbreaking research, or ensuring the safety and efficacy of bioproducts, there is a place for you in this dynamic field. So, why wait? Start exploring these exciting careers today and take the first step towards a rewarding future in biotechnology. Now, if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engaging meaningful conversations with you. Now, there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. If you found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing with your friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. Thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. Remember, the future of biotechnology awaits your unique contribution. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. And there's something to ponder on Until our next episode, what if the next big breakthrough in biotechnology comes from your innovative idea? Stay tuned.